Point 1. Discovering your gift, Steve Harvey's key to success. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve success while others struggle? The answer, according to Steve Harvey in his book Act Like a Success, Think Like a Success, lies in the concept of a gift. A gift, as Harvey explains, is not a neatly wrapped box with a bow on top that you receive on special occasions. Instead, it's a unique talent or ability that each one of us possesses. It's like a seed within us that, when nurtured and cultivated, can grow into a towering tree. This tree, in turn, can bear the fruits of success. Identifying this gift is crucial. It's like having a compass in the vast ocean of life. Without it, you might find yourself drifting aimlessly, unsure of your destination. But how do you identify your gift? It's not as complicated as it sounds. It involves introspection and self-awareness. It's about acknowledging what you're naturally good at, what you enjoy doing, and what makes you feel fulfilled. Once you've identified your gift, the next step is to utilize it. This is where the magic happens. When you start using your gift, you'll find doors opening for you. Opportunities will present themselves, and success will follow. Harvey shares the story of a woman who loved baking. She turned this passion into a successful business, proving that when you align your career with your gift, success is inevitable. However, it's important to note that your gift is not a magic wand that instantly grants success. It's a key that unlocks the door to success. You still need to walk through that door and put in the work. If you ignore your gift or fail to utilize it, you're like a person trying to open a door with the wrong key. You'll find yourself stuck, unable to move forward. In conclusion, discovering and utilizing your gift is a transformative journey. It's about acknowledging your unique talents and abilities and using them to carve your path to success. So, embark on this journey. Discover your gift. Nurture it, use it, and watch as it leads you to the life of success that you've always dreamed of. Point 2. Your guide to achieving success. Success. It's a word that carries a lot of weight, doesn't it? It's something we all strive for, yet it often seems elusive, just out of reach. But what if I told you that success is not only attainable, but it's also a journey filled with obstacles that are meant to be overcome, goals that are meant to be set and achieved, and motivation that needs to be nurtured and maintained? Let's start with obstacles. They're a part of life, and they're certainly a part of the journey to success. Steve Harvey, a man who knows a thing or two about overcoming obstacles, has faced his fair share. From being homeless to dealing with career setbacks, Harvey has seen it all. But instead of letting these obstacles deter him, he used them as stepping stones to reach his goals. He viewed each obstacle as an opportunity for growth, a chance to learn something new, and a test of his resilience. So, the next time you face an obstacle, remember Harvey's approach. Don't let it deter you. Instead, use it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Now, let's talk about setting goals. It's not enough to just have a vague idea of what you want to achieve. You need to have clear, achievable goals. And these goals need to be broken down into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, start by setting a goal to write a chapter. Then, break that down further into writing a certain number of words each day. And don't forget to celebrate each achievement along the way. Each step you complete brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Staying motivated is another crucial aspect of the journey to success. It's easy to lose motivation when the going gets tough, but there are techniques you can use to maintain it. One such technique is to remind yourself of why you started in the first place. What is your why? What drives you? Keep that at the forefront of your mind, and it will help you stay motivated. And remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential in preventing burnout and maintaining your motivation. Hard work, perseverance, and a positive mindset are also essential for success. These qualities don't just magically appear. They need to be cultivated. Harvey, for instance, worked multiple jobs while pursuing his dream of becoming a comedian. He persevered through tough times and always maintained a positive mindset, believing in his ability to succeed. Finally, achieving your dreams. It's not just about reaching a certain level of success. It's about discovering your own gifts and using them as the foundation for your success. Each one of us has unique talents and abilities. It's up to us to discover them and use them to our advantage. So, there you have it. Your guide to achieving success. It's not an easy journey, but it's certainly a rewarding one. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. So, embrace the obstacles, set clear goals, stay motivated, work hard, persevere, maintain a positive mindset, and use your gifts to achieve your dreams. Your journey to success starts now. Point 3. The power of visualization for success. Ever been on a road trip without a map? It's a bit like trying to achieve success without a clear vision of what that success looks like. This is where the concept of visualization comes into play. It's not just about daydreaming or wishful thinking, but about creating a mental roadmap to your desired destination. So, what exactly is visualization? It's the process of creating a mental image or intention of what you want to happen or feel in reality. It's not just about seeing your goals, but also experiencing them emotionally. It's like rehearsing for a play, but the stage is your mind, and the play is your life's goals. Visualization plays a crucial role in achieving success. It serves as a roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. It's like having a GPS that leads you to your destination. But it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. Visualization helps build confidence and motivation by allowing you to experience the joy and satisfaction of achieving your goals in your mind, even before you've actually achieved them. But how does visualization work? It's based on the principle that the mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. When you visualize your goals, your mind interprets that as reality and works towards making it come true. It's like programming a computer. You input the code, your goals, and the computer, your mind, works to execute it. The power of visualization lies in its ability to turn your desires into reality. It's like planting a seed in your mind. With consistent visualization, that seed grows into a tree, bearing the fruits of your desires. It's not magic, but a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires into reality. But like any tool, visualization needs to be used correctly to be effective. It's not enough to just visualize your goals. You need to visualize yourself achieving those goals. Feel the joy, the satisfaction, the pride. This emotional experience is what fuels your motivation and helps you overcome doubts and fears. So, how do you start practicing visualization? Start by defining your goals. Be specific. Then, create a mental image of yourself achieving those goals. Feel the emotions associated with that achievement. Do this consistently, and you'll start to see changes in your thoughts and actions. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful tool for achieving success. It's like a roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. It's a way to program your mind to work towards achieving your desires. So, why not give it a try? Start visualizing your success today. After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single thought. Point 4. The importance of resilience and persistence on the journey to success. You're on a road trip, driving towards a destination that promises a life of success and fulfillment. But the road isn't always smooth. There are potholes, detours, and sometimes you might even run out of gas. This journey, my friend, is a lot like the path to success. It's not a straight line, and it's certainly not an overnight trip. It's a journey that requires consistent effort, patience, and time. Let's consider the concept of taking one step at a time. Remember the story of the tortoise and the hare? The hare, despite being the faster animal, lost the race because he underestimated the power of consistent effort. The tortoise, on the other hand, won because he focused on taking one step at a time. This approach not only helps manage tasks effectively but also reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. Now, imagine you're driving and you cross a particularly rough patch of road. You feel a sense of relief and accomplishment. That's what celebrating small victories feels like. It's like reaching a milestone on your journey. It boosts your confidence and morale, and it reminds you that you're making progress, no matter how slow it might seem. But what happens when you encounter a roadblock or a detour? That's where learning from failures comes in. Let's say you took a wrong turn and ended up on a dead-end street. Instead of seeing it as a failure, view it as a lesson. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to make better decisions in the future. These lessons guide you towards the right path to success. Resilience is your ability to bounce back from these setbacks. It's like having a flat tire, and instead of giving up, you change the tire and continue on your journey. In the book, Steve Harvey shares a case study of a woman who faced numerous rejections before finally landing her dream job. Her resilience in the face of adversity is a testament to the power of maintaining a positive attitude and determination. Persistence, on the other hand, is your refusal to give up, no matter how tough the journey gets. It's like driving through a storm, knowing that clear skies await on the other side. Persistence is what separates successful people from the rest. It's the fuel that keeps you going, helping you overcome challenges and not giving up. So, as you continue on your journey towards success, remember the importance of resilience and persistence. They are your companions, your guiding lights. Embrace them, and they will lead you to your destination. After all, the road to success is a journey, not a destination. And every journey is made easier with the right mindset and the right companions. Point 5. The importance of positive support for success. Ever been in a room full of people, yet felt utterly alone? That's what it feels like when you're striving for success without a supportive network. It's like trying to climb a mountain without a safety harness. You might make it to the top, but the journey will be fraught with unnecessary risks and challenges. In Steve Harvey's book, Act Like a Success, Think Like a Success, he emphasizes the power of positive company. It's not just about having people around you, it's about having the right people around you. People who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. They're the ones who see your potential, even when you're doubting yourself. They're the ones who cheer you on when you're on the right track and gently steer you back when you're veering off course. But it's not all about cheerleading. Constructive criticism and feedback are equally important. They're like the compass that keeps you oriented towards your goals. They help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, and guide you in making the necessary adjustments to improve and grow. Another crucial element in the journey to success is mentorship. A mentor is like a lighthouse guiding ships safely to shore. They've been where you're going and can provide invaluable advice and guidance. They can help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. They can also growth. But what's a mentor without a strong support system? It's like a lighthouse without a light. A strong support system provides emotional support, encouragement, and motivation. It boosts your confidence and self-esteem, giving you the courage to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. It's the safety net that catches you when you fall and the wind beneath your wings that propels you to greater heights. In conclusion, positive support is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for success. It's the fuel that keeps you going when the going gets tough. It's the secret ingredient in the recipe for success. So, surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. And cultivate a strong support system that will be there for you every step of the way. Because success is not a solo journey, it's a team effort. Point 6. Maintaining success, the importance of learning, humility, and balance. Ever wondered why some people seem to have a Midas touch, turning everything they touch into gold, while others struggle to maintain their success? The secret lies not in the initial achievement, but in the ability to sustain it. This is where the principles of continuous learning, humility, giving back, and balance come into play. Let's start with continuous learning. Picture a shark in the ocean. If it stops swimming, it sinks. The same principle applies to success. If you stop learning, you risk falling behind. The world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, you need to keep updating your knowledge and skills. This doesn't mean you have to go back to school or get another degree. It could be as simple as reading a book, attending a seminar, or learning a new skill online. The key is to never stop growing and expanding your horizons. Next, let's talk about humility. It's easy to let success go to your head, but remember, pride comes before a fall. In Steve Harvey's book, he shares the story of a successful businessman who lost everything because he thought he knew it all. Humility is not about downplaying your achievements, it's about acknowledging that you don't have all the answers and that there's always room for improvement. It's about treating others with respect, regardless of their status or position. By staying humble, you open yourself up to new ideas and opportunities. Giving back to the community is another crucial aspect of maintaining success. It's not just about making a donation or volunteering your time, although those are great ways to give back. It's about using your success to make a positive impact on the world. This could be by mentoring others, starting a charity, or using your influence to bring about social change. When you give back, you not only enrich your own life but also contribute to the well-being of others. Finally, balance is key. Success is not just about work or money. It's about living a fulfilling life. This means taking care of your health, spending time with your loved ones, pursuing your hobbies, and taking time to relax and recharge. It's about finding a balance between your professional and personal life. This might mean setting boundaries at work, prioritizing your health, or making time for your family and friends. In conclusion, maintaining success is not a one-time event but a continuous journey. It requires continuous learning, humility, giving back, and balance. So, are you ready to swim like a shark, stay humble, give back, and find your balance? Remember, success is not just about reaching the top, it's about staying there. Point 7. Conclusion. Success is not a destination, but a journey. It starts with recognizing your unique gift and using it to navigate through life. This gift is not necessarily a talent or skill, but something you do exceptionally well and effortlessly. It's your ticket to a fulfilling life and the key to unlocking your potential. Success is not about material wealth, but about personal growth and satisfaction. It's about setting goals, overcoming challenges, and making a difference. It's about thinking big, acting confidently, and never giving up. It's about embracing failure as a stepping stone to success and learning from your mistakes. Success is also about balance. It's about juggling your personal and professional life and finding time for what truly matters. It's about prioritizing your health, relationships, and happiness over work and money. It's about living a life of purpose and passion and inspiring others to do the same. Success is within your reach. All you need to do is believe in yourself, trust your instincts, and take action. You are the master of your destiny, and the only person who can determine your worth. So, don't wait for opportunities to come knocking on your door. Create them yourself and make the most of every moment. Remember, success is not a privilege, but a right. It's not something you chase, but something you attract by the person you become. So, act like a success, think like a success, and you will be a success.